Hey guys, welcome back to lesson 4. We are on day 2. Learning guides and students, you are going to need teachers page 48 in your manuals, and students will need student page 48. So we are on the second day of lesson 4. Today we are specifically going to be focusing on the sound oo, spelled O-O, so that double O making the oo sound. Listen as I say a word. Soon. Soon. Soon has the oo sound. Listen for the oo sound as I say the word soon. Soon. Let's say the word together. Soon. What is the vowel sound in the word soon? If you said oo, you were correct. Let's practice with a few other words. Look at the word moon. Moon. Say it with me. Moon. What is the vowel sound in that word? If you said oo, you were correct. Let's try one more. Look at the word boot. Let's say the word together. Boot. B-oo. Boot. What is the vowel sound in the word boot? If you said oo, you got that one right too. See how I used an oo word? Now, I would like you to practice with the words tooth and broom. Do you think these words have the same sound or a different sound? Pause this video, say each of these words, and then I want you to tell me if they have the same sound or a different sound. Come back to the video when you think they are the same or different. Let's see how you did. Let's say each word together. Tooth, tooth. Broom, broom. I hear the oo sound in both words. So to me, that makes them have the same sound. So great job if you said they both have the oo sound. Now let's look at page 48, your practice page. We're going to use these boxes, these letter cards, to make some words with the oo sound. I'm going to give you a couple of words. The first one that I might put in my box is the word pool, because pool has the oo sound in it. Pool, pool. Now, I want you with your learning guide to fill in the next few boxes, and I would like you to practice saying these words that make up the oo sound that are spelled O-O. If you need some help, you may refer back to our passage from yesterday to look for some of those words, or previously in the video. You may pause the video. When you are ready to check your work, you can come on back, play the video, and let's see if we have some of the same words. All right, friends, let's see how you did. The next word that I thought of that had the oo sound was cool. K-ool, cool. How about boot? B-oot, boot. Room, room. Spoon, spoon. And mood, m-ood, mood. Great job, friends. What I would like you to do is practice these sounds with your learning guides. Go back through, spell some of these words, see if you can identify or let your learning guide know what two letters make that oo sound and if they all have the same sound. Great work. Come on back tomorrow and we are going to work on another set of letters or vowel pairs that make up the oo sound. Great job, friends.